Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to install the Disney Movies app on your Amazon Fire TV. If you're a fan of Disney's magical world of movies and entertainment, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. To get started, make sure you're on the home screen of your Amazon Fire TV. Using your remote, navigate to the top menu and select App Store. Great! Once you're in the App Store, scroll to left and find the Search tab. This is where we'll search for the Disney Movies app. Press the center button on your remote to enter the search area. Now, using the on-screen keyboard, type in Disney+. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear below. Select the Disney Plus suggestion that appears to view the search results. From the search results, locate the official Disney Plus app. Make sure it's the one with the Disney logo. Use the navigation buttons on your remote to select the app. Now press the download button to start the installation process. The app will automatically download and install. Once it's completed, you'll see an Open button. Select it using your remote to launch the Disney Plus app. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Disney Movies app on your Amazon Fire TV. Now you can immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Disney's movies, TV shows, and more. Enjoy countless hours of magical entertainment right at your fingertips. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to install the Disney Movies app on your Amazon Fire TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.